हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फेशियल हेयर शेविंग की। मैं ये फेशियल हेयर शेविंग मुझे नहीं पता कब से करती आ रही हूँ, बिकॉज मैं मेरे ख्याल से 8 से 9 साल हो गए हैं कि मैं किसी पार्लर में गई हूँ टू गेट माई फेशियल हेयर क्लीन, like threading, eyebrows, and waxing upper lips and all over your face. My skin is extra sensitive and it is prone to allergy and cuts because my skin is really thin. In fact, मैंने पूरे body में ही कराना छोड़ दिया है. What I do is I shave. So if you want to know all about shaving your facial hair, if it's good, if it's bad, and I'm also gonna show you how I shave my face, then just keep on watching. So guys, first of all, I would like to thank all of you for all of your immense love. मैंने एक आज स्टोरी पोस्ट करी थी in the morning asking if you guys have any questions about facial hair shaving. Then let me know. And you guys have sent me so many amazing questions that I have to go through Google and search all about them before making this video. So thank you guys so much for all of your love, and I'm making this video for you guys, and I hope that you guys learn a lot from this. And if you guys have similar issues, or if you have similar things which you have faced in life जब आप लोगों ने अपना फेस शेव किया होगा, आई होप मैं उसको थोड़ा सा सॉर्ट आउट करने में आप लोगों की हेल्प कर सकूं. Now, why facial hair shaving is important? Why should anyone do it? Because first of all, it's pain free. It's pain free. I don't know how people go ahead and wax their face. Dude, waxing is so painful. मैं हाथों और पैरों पे भी जब वैक्स करती हूँ ना, मतलब करती थी, मेरे आंखों से आंसू निकल आते थे. I have like zero pain tolerance. So hats off to you guys, whoever is doing facial hair waxing. Why I shifted to shaving is because of pain, of course. And then कभी भी मैं आईब्रो भी थ्रेड नहीं करवाने जाती हूँ, बिकॉज इतनी पतली है मेरी वहाँ की स्किन एंड इतनी सेंसिटिव है कि कभी भी मैं किसी से, नो मैटर हु इज माई पार्लर दीदी इज, नो मैटर हु इज डूइंग माई थ्रेडिंग, इट विल कट नो मैटर वॉट. तो मैंने वो कराना ही छोड़ दिया. रादर आई यूज अ वेरी नाइस रेजर विच इज आईब्रो रेजर एंड शेव माई आईब्रोज, my entire face with it. And during this corona lockdown days, it has helped me so much. In fact, I was using this razor for my pre-corona lockdown, and then over the time इस बेचारे का जो भी इसका sharpness था वो चला गया. And then I was like, from where I will order some new ones and all of that. So then finally Miniso opened and I got this one from Miniso. So first of all, you need to understand कि अगर आपको, there is no hard and fast rule कि थ्रेडिंग नहीं कराना चाहिए, वैक्सिंग नहीं कराना चाहिए, या सिर्फ शेविंग करना चाहिए अपने फेस पे. No, whatever you feel comfortable, you should definitely go ahead and do that. I feel comfortable shaving, I went ahead and did that, and I love the experience. इसीलिए मैं हमेशा शेव करती हूँ. If you are okay with threading, go ahead and do that. Nobody is stopping you. But I love shaving my facial hair, and that is why I'm here today, because a lot of my friends have requested this video and a lot of my followers requested this video. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this video for all of you guys, to make you aware more about shaving your facial hair, if it's good, if it's not. What is my experience about shaving my facial hair? So the first question that I have seen asking many people, and I also got it from my followers, is does your hair grows back thicker and faster after a facial shaving? So I have googled about it, and I know for a fact, क्योंकि मैं इतने सालों से खुद पे ही facial shaving करती हूँ, so I know for a fact that it does not grow any harder or thicker or darker. When you're shaving your face, you're shaving like this, and whatever the hair is, like if you think this is one hair on your face, so if you're cutting or like shaving your hair like this, so the hair becomes a little blunt and वो उगता है ऊपर, राइट, क्योंकि आपने टॉप लेयर उसका काट दिया है, शेव कर दिया है. नाउ जब वो उगेगा, थोड़ा सा अगर आप हाथ फेरोगे अपने फेस पे तो आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगेगा कि वो चुभ रहे हैं, बट दैट विल ओनली हैपन टिल द टाइम इट ग्रोज बैक. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि फेस के बाल ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे या मोटे हो जाएंगे या जो भी है. फेस का हेयर, इफ़ यू कंपेयर इट विथ योर आर्म और योर लेग्स हेयर और योर प्यूबिक हेयर, फेस हेयर इज़ लाइक दे आर वेरी टाइनी, वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, कि आप नॉर्मल अपने आई से देख भी नहीं सकते हो. तो उनको अगर आप शेव करो तो I have never experienced my hair growing thicker or darker or growing faster. It is not like that. Now I'm going to read what I found in few of the blogs for you guys. Dr. Debbie Palmer, who is the co-founder of Dermatology Association of New York, said, hair will not grow back thicker or faster. Shaving does not change the number of hair follicles in the skin or rate of hair growth. तो ऐसे ये पूरा एक मिथ है जो कि ये कहते हैं कि हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा थिक और डार्क और बहुत ज़्यादा फास्टर ग्रो होने लगेगा if you shave your facial hair. It is not like that. Now the next question that I got is really interesting. Somebody asked me, does shaving hair darken your skin? Now, of course, if you shave your hair like this or really badly treats your skin, of course that will darken your skin. I don't understand the fact that people go and wax their face while using hot wax on their face. That will definitely darken your skin texture, skin color, because आप गरम wax अपने मुंह पे लगा के and then you're pulling your all the hair and the skin out of your face. Dude, that's literally painful, and why do you want to go through that pain? You already are going through so much. Why do you want to torture yourself like that? I normally do shave my entire face, but मुझे ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ कि कोई portion dark हुआ है. या in fact, if you shave your face, your tanning will come as it will exfoliate your skin. तो आपकी tanning भी आपकी skin की exfoliation के साथ निकलती है. In fact, you will get more better skin texture and more glowy skin after shaving your face. Now another question that I got from one of my follower is, does it harm like rashes or pimples? Now many people have complained about getting rashes after shaving their face. Maybe they are doing it wrong, or maybe their skin is really sensitive that they are getting boils or pimples after shaving. मैंने ये कभी भी face नहीं किया है. मुझे कोई भी rash या कोई भी pimple ऐसा कभी नहीं आया. Generally my skin is sensitive. Whenever I go out in sun, my skin tends to get really red, and that's how my skin is normally. And बहुत ही ज़्यादा sensitive है. बहुत सारे products भी ऐसे हैं जो मैं अपने face पे नहीं इस्तेमाल करती. But after shaving, I have not faced any kind of issues like that. But yes, if you are facing an issue like that, you should definitely not shave. Or if you want to try shaving and you have a feeling कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, just do a patch test, like shave this portion of your face first rather than shaving the entire face. आप सिर्फ इतने portion में हल्के से shave. When first of all, you need to understand that whenever you're shaving, you need to shave in a very light hand stroke. So just do shave in this part of the face and then see. Just let it be for a day or two and see if you are facing any kind of pimples or any kind of issues with your skin happening in this area. If that happens, then what you can do is, rather than shaving with a razor, you can definitely go ahead and buy face trimmer. I know Veet has one face trimmer which is, I think, available in Nykaa. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to see facial trimmers as well. I don't own one because I love face shaving with razors. I have never faced any issue with razors, but अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि रेजर से यहाँ पे आपके पिंपल्स ऐसा कुछ हो रहे हैं, you can definitely try out the Veet facial trimmer. I will link it down below. Now, one of my followers has also asked me that after she do her upper lips and her lower lips with a shaver, or even she threads, her skin turns green and the area looks green. First of all, I don't think many people go through this. I mean, उनका ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमारे फेशियल हेयर बहुत ही फाइन होते हैं एंड मोस्टली हमारे स्किन कलर के ही होते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर शेविंग और थ्रेडिंग और वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, इट शुड नॉट लुक green like that. But if you are feeling like that, if your area is looking like a man beard after shaving and it is turning green, you should definitely try out laser hair treatment for your face, because what laser hair does is it slowly and gradually after few sittings आपके जो यहाँ के अगर बाल है उनको बहुत ही फाइन कर देता है एंड स्लोली वो बिल्कुल ही गायब कर देता है यहाँ के हेयर. सो इफ़ यू आर कंसर्न एंड इफ़ दैट्स लुकिंग रियली bad, and if you want, you can definitely try out laser hair treatment, laser hair remover, to remove all of these part of hair or wherever you want to remove the hair from. It can definitely, of course it will be a little pricey, but laser hair treatment will be definitely going to help you, because we have so many razors available in the market. Few of my followers asked me which brand of razors to use. Definitely you should not use men's razor with like the Gillette ones and all of that on your face. You should definitely not use it. The razors you should use is these kind of eyebrow razors that you definitely should use. Now the razors are available from Nykaa to Amazon, and if I talk about offline stores, you will get it on Forever 21, you will get it in Miniso, you will get it in Shein, and all, I think you will get it everywhere. From your Kirana stores to your high-end stores, you will get it everywhere. The first razor that I used was from Forever 21, and I instantly fell in love with razors and shaving my facial hair, is because first of all that was amazingly sharp, and it was like really nicely, it was taking off all of my hairs off of my face. तो एक तो जो भी आप रेजर चूज करो, मेक श्योर वो बहुत ज़्यादा शार्प हो, ताकि बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से भी अगर आप हेयर हटा रहे हो या एक्सफोलिएट कर रहे हो तो वो बहुत ही ईजीली हो जाए, rather than scraping off your skin from your face. So I would recommend checking out Forever 21's razor, and Miniso razors are really good as well. Initially I bought this razor from Miniso, and then I got this one abhi recently from Miniso. These cost 150 rupees each, I think, and Forever 21 will have like a set of 3 which you can get for I think 250 rupees or 300 rupees, like that. Then I have also have this Tinkle razors, which are really famous, and you can get this in a lot of stores now, like every kirane ki dukaan will have this. I got it from Amazon because right now, you know, my kirana stores are closed because of the corona lockdown. So I was not sure when this is going to come, so I ordered, like I went to Miniso and got this one. Now, whom I should not recommend shaving your face? The people who have acute acne problem. Now, shaving your face while you have acne can cut your acne or inflammate the area of your face. So जिनको भी acne है, I would not recommend them to shave your face. You know, अगर आपका रेजर लग जाए या कुछ हो जाए, अगर आप बचा के कर सकते हो तो आप definitely you can try that out. But I will not suggest you guys to take risk with your face, because अगर ऐसा कुछ हो और marks छोड़ जाए, I will not suggest that. The next set of people I will not recommend shaving your face is sensitive skin people. However, मेरी खुद की sensitive skin है, but मैं face shave करती हूँ, मुझे कोई भी problem नहीं है फेस शेव करने से, लेकिन बहुत लोगों को सेंसिटिविटी की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, मे बी स्मॉल बॉइल्स या पिंपल्स आ सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू हैव सेंसिटिव स्किन and you don't have any acne problem, you should definitely go ahead and do a patch test right over here in this area. Now I hope after all of this talking, I hope you guys now understand कि किन लोगों को facial hair shave करना चाहिए और किन को नहीं, and कितना हेल्पफुल है और क्या क्या आपको प्रिकॉशंस लेने चाहिए इसको करने के लिए, एंड यू नो हाउ गुड इट इज़ और हाउ बैड इट इज़. नाउ आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ आई शेव माय फेशियल हेयर. So yeah, I'm going to show you a live demo on how you can do it and how I do it on my face. So मेरे को कभी भी जब भी ऐसा फील होता है कि you know मेरे को हेयर फील हो रहा है अपने फेस पे या थोड़े से अपर लिप्स पे मुझे हेयर दिखता है, सबको हेयर होता है, तो मैं आई जस्ट क्विकली गो एंड टेक माई रेजर आउट एंड शेव एंड देन लेट इट बी for an hour. I mean, I just let my skin breathe a little for an hour, apply a toner, leave it, and then apply my makeup. So if you can see, I'm just coming closer. I don't know if you can see, I have some really tiny hairs coming out मेरे eyebrows में, and I have a little bit of like my upper lips hair, and then here also you can see, if you can see, a little hairs like coming out of my eyebrows, and I have a little, like I can feel a little bit of hair I can feel on my palm in this area as well. So I'm gonna shave my entire face right now in front of the camera, and I'm gonna show you. So like I showed you a lot of options on razors, I'm today gonna use this one. This is what I bought from Miniso like few days ago. So this is the one that I'm gonna use today. Uske liye I'm just gonna, you know, put my hair a little back so that face pe na aaye. And now as my face is clean and there is nothing on my face, no moisturizer, nothing, it's just squeaky clean, I'm just gonna grab my razor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my razor, I'm gonna put it like this kind of a way, and then I'm slowly, I can feel, like if you can see, I'm just coming near the camera, and if you can see, the hair is coming off. This is all of my extra hair, facial hair, and the skin is also exfoliating from this area. I'm just doing it very very light-handed and just removing the hair, and yeah, just look at that. Oh my god. फ्लैट अपने स्किन पे आप चलाइए रेजर, तो कहीं पे भी कट या कहीं पे भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी आपको. अगर ऐसे या इस हिसाब से आप काटने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो मे बी आपको कट आ सकता है. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी cautious with a razor like this. Now I'm gonna do my forehead, and for that I'm just gonna stretch my skin a little like this and slowly going to shave this part of the area as well. तो अगर हम फेस शेविंग के प्रोज देखें तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत ही ईजी टू डू है, बहुत ही ईजीली इसको आप अपने टाइम और कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से कर सकते हैं अपने ही घर पे. आपको किसी और की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि कोई आके आपके फेस को थ्रेड कर रहा है या वैक्स कर रहा है. यू कैन डू दिस एनी टाइम एनीवेयर. So these are travel friendly as well. You can travel with this, and also these are super affordable. I got this मैंने ये Miniso से 150 रुपीज़ पे ख़रीदा है, and ये मुझे मेरे ख्याल से 2 से 3 महीने आराम से चल जाएगा। ये नॉट ओनली आपके फेस से हेयर हटाता है, ऑल्सो आपकी स्किन को एक्सफोलिएट भी करता है। सो अनदर प्लस पॉइंट टू दिस, एंड इट इज़ अ पेन फ्री प्रोसेस। सो वैक्सिंग एंड थ्रेडिंग का वो पेन आई तो कांट बेयर। सो फॉर मी शेविंग इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। अगर मैं फेशियल हेयर शेविंग की कॉन्स बताऊँ, आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन रिमेंबर एनी कॉन्स। अगर इफ़ यू हैव एक्ने और सेंसिटिव स्किन, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि आप क्या कर सकते हो। आप अगर शेव नहीं करना चाहते हो तो उसका ऑल्टरनेट आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसके बारे में मैं बता चुकी हूँ आपको। सो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम जस्ट गोना curl my lips inside like this, and I'm gonna shave. Now to shave your eyebrows, I have to remove all of these tiny hairs which are coming here. So what I do is I just lift my eyebrow like this and just try to go as close as possible, and then just slowly shave the lower part of the eyebrow. And that's it guys, that's how I shave my facial hair. This only takes for me like 10 minutes to do this, and then afterwards I apply a toner, and then after like an hour or so I apply my makeup and I am good to go. So yeah guys, that's all about it. I hope you have learned a lot from this video, and I hope that I have been informative as much as you guys have liked. मैंने सबके questions के I hope मैंने जवाब दिए हों. If you have any further questions, please put that in the comment section below and I will definitely try to reply you back. If you like the video, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what more videos you want to see on my channel and I will definitely make them for you. And this was a really requested video that I did for you guys, and I hope to see you in my next all of the videos. Till then, see you, bye.